At Oregon, we challenge ourselves to innovate. We're testing new manufacturing methods, using new grind technologies, and challenging ourselves to get better performance with every product. So for 70TXL, what we've challenged ourselves to do is defy that expectation that green label chain means a slow chain. So a pro arborist gets not only a chain that cuts fast so they could get their job done, but also a chain that has a lot of control and smoothness.
In starting the project, we went around the country and asked people who use existing 3/8 chains what problems we could solve. Professionals told us time and time again that while they appreciated the smoothness that a bumper drive link can provide, they feel that it takes away from the total cutting performance. Our team had to take on the challenge of debunking the myth that chains that are low kickback are inherently slow by designing one that isn't.
I think the most interesting thing about the development of this chain is the speed in which we were able to unlock the advantages of the bumper drive link design, removing any compromise on performance, and delivering a chain that is truly intended for the professional.
A lot of the early feedback we got from users was frankly surprised. This is a reduced kickback chain with a double-raker setup. And a lot of them, the first time they looked at it, they went, oh geez, it's a double-raker chain. I don't know, I've tried safety chains in the past, wasn't a fan. So we said, okay, just try it. Can you just put it into the wood for me? And they were frankly surprised at how well it cut for their applications. It allowed them to cut maybe in different ways that they wouldn't have been able to, or they wouldn't have been able to do safely in the past. So the reduced kickback and the additional control from the bumper drive link made that they could make some challenging cuts in very close quarters without having to take kickback into consideration as much. So it really allowed them to work in a more flexible manner and really focus on the job at hand and not worry so much about what the chain was going to do. Additionally, we got a lot of good feedback around the ability to shave a face cut. So sometimes in a falling application, your gunning cut and your face cut don't exactly match. So this chain, unlike a lot of other round ground chains, enabled them to shave those face cuts much easier. So that really unlocked a lot of potential for them and made their jobs less frustrating, less tiring. And that's really what our end users are looking for, is that full performance and additional smoothness and control.